Hello guys, welcome back. This is Nightingale, and in this video we are going to learn how we can save document from Word to PDF, or how we can convert document from Word to PDF. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So you go to your search bar, then you search for Word. In my case, I'm using Microsoft Office 2013. So you see Word 2013 here. You click on it to open. So my Word document has been launched successfully. So I will choose a blank document and let's type something here. So now you go to file, you look for file, you click on file, then you go to save as. You make sure you browse the location you want to save your document. Now you look for your location. In my case, I'll save it to desktop. I'll change the name to CodeLytical. Now you make sure you save as type. You click on it, you see a drop down, then you look for PDF. You click on PDF. Now you get some options here. You can click on the option. Now here, if you want to encrypt your document with password, you can also use this side. So you click on it, then you click OK. So here you enter the password you want to use for your encryption, then you also re-enter. But in our case, you are not going to use any password, so I'll cancel. Here you can also select the pages you want to convert to PDF, but you are not going to use any of these, so you cancel. So after selecting the file type as PDF, you now click save. So document is saving. So now our document has been converted to PDF successfully. So this is it. It has opened. Now I can close it, then minimize this one too. You go to my desktop, I'll see my document there. Click on it to open. So this is it. So basically, this is a simple way to convert document from Word to PDF. Thank you very much for your time, and thank you for learning as well.